There it is. This was giving poor engine performance, hesitation, engine codes for the multi-valves 1, 2, and 3 were faulting. And you can see that there's some contamination there. I think in a pinch you could clean it out. They don't recommend that, but got a new one. Much better. New filter in. Also a good time to have a squeeze at the timing belt, which looks okay, no teeth missing. Reassemble in reverse of disassembly, and then we'll clear codes and see if we have a win. Much smoother. I like it. No codes, time for a road test.